Hello friends, how is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here. Today I'll read for you Present Moment. As thoughts swim in my mind, memories arise from moments past, some good, some bad, unforgettable, unfathomable, uncomfortable, uncompromising, sweeping me off into a past that you can never have back. Present moments call. Stand still. Be here with me. Smell the sense of goodness and purity. Listen to the sounds of music, the birds, the rain, the thunder. See the colors of the rainbow. Enjoy the expressions of Mother Nature, varieties of life in all its forms. Be here with me. Stay present with me. Tomorrow will become today, and today will become yesterday. All in stillness. Life will happen around you, with you, and within you. Be here with me. Present moments calls, freedom calls, surrender calls, peace calls, joy calls, love calls. Be here with me in the present moment. Hope you enjoyed that. It's Keroy again. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.